Good morning, everyone. I'm Shadi Martini, CEO of Multiface Alliance. I want to give you an update about Syria. I recently had a visit to Syria where I spent a week. I went through all the major cities and capitals and small town, uh, going from Damascus to the city of Homs, to the city of Hama, city of Aleppo, and areas that house refugee or displacement camps along the Turkish border. To give you an overview about the situation in Syria, the Assad regime, who ruled Syria for more than 50 years, collapsed after a battle that took around 11 days. And Syria is now on the grip of factions that used to control Idlib. Now the situation that I've witnessed a lot of destruction. All the areas that were destroyed during the war, the Assad regime didn't do any reconstruction in it or any improvement. Everything I left 12 years ago when I left Syria is still the same. There is no new investment, nothing new. People are very tired. People are happy that they got rid of Assad regime, but also wary about the future, what's holding for them. Uh, but hopeful that probably it's better days ahead, especially there is no war anymore. The people need a lot of help in terms of services. Services is lacking. Electricity comes only 2 hours a day. It's cold. Winter is freezing. People in displacement camp cannot return to their homes because they are um, in a very bad situation financially, and a lot of their home is destroyed, and they don't have the financial means to rebuild their life. So that's an overview of the situation in Syria. I hope I could give more detailed information in the next weeks to come. Multiface Alliance is going to establish an operation in former regime house areas. Our office is being opened in the coming months, and we're going to have a lot of programs supporting displaced people and people who are in need in housing, in food, in medical, and so many areas by our own team and in cooperation with other NGOs and entities in Syria. Thank you.